Hey guys, so today we are in the kitchen and we are making Christmas cookies. Yes, I'm gonna bring you along with me and we are going to make ourselves some Christmas cookies. Let's go. Alright, so to make our Christmas cookies, we need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Don't drop it, Alyssa. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 cup of softened butter. 1 1/2 cups of white sugar. 1 egg. Half a teaspoon of peppermint extract or vanilla extract. Chocolate candy melts. Broken up candy canes or sprinkles. I'm gonna do both. So, let's get started. Can you see me? Let's get our work surface together. Alright, so the directions say that I need to put all of the dry ingredients together. So that includes the 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Did I get that right? I did, yeah! And we're going to mix that all together. Alright, and let's set this aside. I'm gonna go soften my butter really quick. I'm just gonna put it in one of these containers and pop it in the microwave for a couple seconds. Alright, now I'm gonna take my softened / melted butter, put that in here, my 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Alright, now we're going to blend this together. Alright, we're gonna add little by little of our dry mixture in. Alright, first mistake made. After reading over the instructions, I was supposed to put the sugar in with the butter and egg and vanilla extract or peppermint extract. I didn't do that, so we'll see if they turn out okay. They smell okay, they look okay. You know, it looks like normal cookie batter. Let's keep going and see what it does. All right, so it says to scoop out a teaspoon. Is it a teaspoon? Yes, scoop out a teaspoon size amount on a non-greased cookie sheet. Put them in the oven at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. Let's go. All right, so what I'm doing now is I am melting these candy wafers in white vanilla flavored that I got at AC Moore. They, on the back it says to microwave them in 30-second blasts and then mix them together to get them to be melted, and then we'll dip our cookies in there and then put the peppermint stuff on top. Alright, so there are my peppermint cookies. Now let's try some sprinkles. Focus. Sprinkles! Sitting here wanting a cookie. By the way, did y'all see our Phoenix Christmas blow up? Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Yeah? You want a cookie? There are the final cookies. Now I'm gonna go grab Daniel and we're gonna do a taste test. Come on, let's try it. Okay, let's do a taste test. Which one are you gonna choose?
Top one.
Okay. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the peppermint extract or just the peppermint?
Both.
Both? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I put the sugar in too early, so I was a little worried that the cookie wasn't gonna taste good. So does it get the Daniel star of approval? Yeah. All right, well we are going to eat some of these cookies.
What's this one?
Sprinkles.
It's just sprinkles?
Mm-hmm. Always the same thing, it's just has sprinkles on it.
Oh.
All right, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming to cook with me today. Next week, we're gonna try to make eggnog, per the request of that one. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.